In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Rank Math Sitemap not working. If your sitemap is throwing errors or not loading at all, don't worry. This is usually a simple fix. A sitemap is the file that lists the important pages and posts on your site so search engines can discover and index them efficiently. When it stops working, the most common culprit is WordPress rewrite rules getting out of sync, and we can refresh those in just a moment. First, head to your WordPress dashboard and open Settings, then click Permalinks. You don't have to change any of the structure settings on this screen. The key move is to click Save Changes, exactly as it is. That single click forces WordPress to flush and rebuild its rewrite rules behind the scenes. Think of it as prompting WordPress to remap all your URLs, which often brings a broken sitemap back to life. Even if everything looks the same after you save, that refresh has already happened. You'll find permalinks in the left-hand menu under Settings. This page controls how your URLs are formatted, like using the post name or a date-based structure. We're not altering that format today, just forcing WordPress to re-register its routes. Next, go to Rank Math SEO and open Sitemap Settings. Here, you want to make sure the Sitemap module is enabled. If you see a toggle for the sitemap feature, it should be switched on. This ensures Rank Math is actively generating your sitemap rather than leaving it disabled. With the module on, stay in the same area and look at the content types. Confirm the items you actually want included are checked, typically posts and pages, and, if you run an online store, products as well. Only the content types you select here will be compiled into the sitemap, which helps search engines focus on the parts of your site you intend to surface. A quick reminder, you don't need to add or remove settings beyond these checks for this fix to work. The combination of refreshing permalinks and confirming the Rank Math sitemap configuration resolves most cases where the sitemap appears blank, throws a 404, or won't load. If you've recently changed themes, added new content types, or moved your site, this refresh is especially helpful because it realigns WordPress with your current structure. To recap, we saved permalinks without changing anything to rebuild rewrite rules. Then we confirmed the Rank Math sitemap module is enabled and the correct content types are selected. Follow these steps carefully and your sitemap should start behaving as expected, helping search engines crawl your site smoothly. And that's it. Simple, safe, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to growing your site with confidence.